Did you know a 70-year-old man was forced to deny his life's work to avoid torture and death? Galileo Galilei had just revolutionized astronomy. Through his telescope, he proved Earth orbits the sun, shattering everything people believed about the universe. But the Catholic Church was furious. In 1633, they dragged him before the Roman Inquisition. The choice was simple: recant everything or face torture and execution. At 70 years old, Galileo knelt before his accusers. With a broken voice, he declared his discoveries false. "The sun revolves around the motionless earth," he said. But as he rose from his knees, witnesses heard him whisper something defiant, "Et pour si muove," and yet it moves. They sentenced him to house arrest for life. The church banned his books for 200 years, but Galileo refused to give up. In secret, he continued his research and wrote his greatest work on physics while imprisoned. He died blind and under guard, never knowing his whispered words of defiance would become a symbol of scientific truth triumphing over dogma.